Baby, you were made for loving me, baby. It's one of my, let's just call that my favourite song. I've got a few favourite songs, so there's no such thing as a few favourites. Favourites song, or favourite song. What's one boat? What is your favourite song? What are we gonna... AR30N says something in Arabic, hello. We'll go, what is your favourite music maybe, or... Okay. Hello. What is your favourite music? We'll just go put rock music, or we'll put popular music, what everyone says. There we go, that might make it easier to vote. So, AR30N says hello in Arabic. I don't know, how do you say hello? I should look that up. And I can speak Arabic. I don't know how to speak Arabic. I can speak a few words in French. Bonjour, je m'appelle, whatever. Then we can go bien, merci. A few different words. But yeah, I've never learnt how to say hello in Arabic. I should try. There's someone now I can't really I can't actually live chat. I can't type a message in Arabic to actually communicate. Well, I guess I could alright, so what are we gonna do? Anyone? None? Why can't I want to write a message. How do you write a message? I can't write. I can't write a message. Does anyone know how to write a message when you're doing a live video? All I can do is I could edit. Thanks for joining in the poll, guys. Oh, here we go. No. I don't know how. It annoys me because, like, say you say hello in Arabic, then I can't respond. But anyway. So yeah, if you like the video, you can also check out my channel. If you want to check out my YouTube channel and like and subscribe, if you like the videos. Anyway, poll complete. Well, what do we do? AR30N. Anyway, might go and get some more food. So, how do you live chat? How do you live message in a live video? Does anyone know? Alright, so